Now we're going to show you how to remove the handle in your Cataract oar. The first thing we need to do is get the foam plug that's in here that keeps the water out of the shaft. For $15 at the local hardware store, we made this tool to do it. We're going to slip this in until we hit the foam plug and then screw that into the plug so we can pull it out. Now your plug may have migrated up in your handle, so you may need a longer reach to get in there. And there's the plug. Now that we got the foam plug out, we're going to slip our 1 3/8 steel rod into the shaft, and we're going to use it like a slap hammer to pop that out. So you can see we've got some separation.